Have you ever pondered the intersection of faith and quantum physics? Welcome to an exploration of a thought-provoking question that has been the subject of ongoing debate among scholars, scientists, and philosophers. Quantum physics, a field that is as complex as it is enigmatic, challenges our understanding of the world, from the behavior of tiny particles to the vast expanse of the universe. It presents us with a reality where particles can simultaneously pass through multiple pathways and exhibit wave-like behavior. On the other hand, we have faith, an abstract and deeply personal realm, often intangible yet profoundly impactful. It shapes our perspectives, drives our actions, and provides solace in times of uncertainty. The question then arises, is there a common ground where these two seemingly disparate domains intersect? Is it possible that the mysteries of quantum physics and the abstract nature of faith could be two sides of the same coin, leading us to a deeper understanding of reality? Could belief in God and the principles of quantum physics be compatible, or are they fundamentally contradictory? Dive with us into this intriguing dialogue between the realms of science and spirituality. To engage in this discourse, we first need to unravel the enigma of quantum physics. Imagine a world where a cat can be both alive and dead at the same time, where particles can be in two places simultaneously, and where reality itself is a probabilistic haze. Welcome to the world of quantum physics. Let's begin with wave-particle duality. Picture yourself at the beach. You see waves crashing against the shore, but you also see discrete particles of sand. Now, what if I told you that in the quantum realm, particles like electrons and photons can behave both as waves and particles? Yes, it's as if the sand grains at the beach could suddenly start acting like the ocean waves. Next, we have superposition. Remember the cat I mentioned earlier? That's Schrödinger's cat, a thought experiment where a cat in a box is both alive and dead until someone opens the box to check. This is a crude analogy for superposition, where quantum particles exist in all possible states at once until they're observed. It's like having your cake and eating it too until you look at it. Lastly, let's tackle quantum entanglement. Think of it as the ultimate long-distance relationship. Two particles are entangled if the state of one immediately affects the state of the other, no matter the distance. It's as if you and a friend each flipped a coin, and no matter how far apart you are, if your coin lands heads, theirs lands tails instantaneously. Now, all these concepts might seem contradictory to our everyday experience, and to be honest, they baffle even the most brilliant minds. But they're verified by experiments and are the cornerstone of technologies like lasers and semiconductors. Now, armed with a basic understanding of quantum physics, we're ready to delve into the crux of our discussion. But what do we mean when we speak of faith? Faith, in its broadest sense, is a profound conviction or trust in something or someone. It's a strong belief in the doctrines of a religion based on spiritual conviction rather than proof. But faith isn't confined to the sphere of religion. It pervades our daily lives in countless ways. We place faith in the people we love, in the institutions that govern our society, and even in the scientific principles that underpin our understanding of the world. Exploring the concept of faith, we find that it's like a multifaceted gem. Each facet reflects a different interpretation and role that faith plays in human life. For some, faith is a beacon of hope in times of despair, a source of comfort and guidance. For others, it's the bedrock of their moral and ethical values, shaping their worldview and guiding their actions. Faith can also be a powerful motivator, inspiring individuals to strive for goals that seem beyond reach, to persevere in the face of adversity. It kindles the flame of human spirit, igniting the will to strive, to dream, to achieve. It's important to note that faith isn't about blind acceptance. It's about seeking understanding, wrestling with doubts, and arriving at a belief that resonates with one's innermost being. It's a deeply personal and transformative journey, unique to each individual. Now let's consider faith in the context of science. Many scientists, despite their reliance on empirical evidence, acknowledge the role of faith in their work. They have faith in the rational orderliness of the universe, in the reliability of scientific laws, in the pursuit of truth through scientific inquiry. In essence, faith is an integral part of the human experience, shaping our perceptions, our actions, and our interactions with the world around us. It's a testament to our capacity for belief, for hope, for love. With a grasp of both quantum physics and faith, we can now navigate the crossroads where these two worlds meet. So where do quantum physics and faith intersect, and what does this intersection tell us? Let's delve into the fascinating realm where faith and quantum physics intertwine. Both fields at their core grapple with unseen realities and embrace elements of mystery and uncertainty. Quantum physics, with its wave-particle duality and probabilistic nature, challenges our conventional understanding of the physical world. Faith, too, ventures into the unknown, asking us to believe in a higher power that transcends our immediate perception. Consider the parallels. Quantum physics tells us that particles can exist in multiple states at once until they are observed, a concept known as superposition. This could be likened to faith. Believers often hold that divine entities are omnipresent, existing everywhere at once, until they choose to reveal themselves in a specific way. In this sense, both quantum physics and faith ask us to accept realities beyond our immediate sensory experience. But the comparison doesn't end there. Uncertainty is fundamental to quantum physics. The Heisenberg uncertainty principle articulates that we cannot accurately measure both the position and momentum of a particle at the same time. Isn't faith also about uncertainty? It asks us to believe without definitive proof, to accept the unknown, and to find comfort in ambiguity. Now, some might argue that quantum physics bolsters spiritual beliefs. They point to the interconnectedness of particles in the quantum realm as indicative of a deeper universal unity. This unity, they argue, could be an expression of a divine force. Others, however, see quantum physics as a contradiction to faith. They argue that the randomness and unpredictability in quantum physics challenge the idea of a universe governed by a divine, orderly power. But perhaps the most profound intersection lies in the realm of mystery. Both faith and quantum physics invite us to question, to explore, and to seek understanding while acknowledging that some aspects may forever remain beyond our grasp. They remind us that our understanding of the universe, whether through the lens of science or spirituality, is ever evolving. So the relationship between faith and quantum physics is not a simple one. It's a dialogue, a dance between science and spirituality, between the seen and the unseen, the known and the unknown. Clearly, the conversation between faith and quantum physics is multi-layered and fascinating. In the end, where do we stand on this dialogue between faith and quantum physics? We've traversed the intriguing landscapes of quantum theory and religious faith, two domains that at first glance seem worlds apart. Yet, as we've seen, they share a common thread, a deep-seated mystery that continues to baffle and inspire us. In the realm of quantum physics, we've unpacked the concept of wave-particle duality, the idea that particles can exhibit wave-like behavior and vice versa. We've discussed the probabilistic nature of quantum theory, which challenges our classical notions of determinism, leading us to such strange conclusions as particles simultaneously passing through multiple pathways. On the other hand, we've explored faith, an integral part of human existence, a source of hope, meaning and purpose. We've looked at how belief in God provides a framework for understanding our place in the universe, our interconnectedness, and our moral obligations. We've also attempted to bridge these two worlds, looking for intersections, parallels, and perhaps contradictions. We've posited that the deep unity of nature underscored by quantum fields could echo the unity of creation as seen in many religious traditions. Yet the mystery of wave-particle duality continues to persist, prompting contemplation on the true essence of physical reality and whether it's compatible or contradictory with a belief in God. So where does this leave us? The dialogue between faith and quantum physics is ongoing. There are no definitive answers, only more questions, more mysteries to unravel. And that's the beauty of it. Both quantum physics and faith invite us to delve deeper, to question, to wonder, and to explore the unknown. They challenge us to expand our understanding of the universe and our place within it. So I invite you to reflect on this dialogue, ponder the mysteries, form your own opinions, engage with the unknown, for it is in the questioning that we grow. As we continue exploring the vast realms of science and spirituality, may we always remain open to the wonders they both hold.